Imagine this, you bought your home and on the very first day, you move in and only to discover nothing works. The water heater is broken, the electrical system won't turn on, and your kitchen is flooding. A homeowner's nightmare. Now, fortunately, there's a solution to help you sleep a tad more soundly at night, and it comes in the form of a home warranty. Now, joining us today is Evo Georgieff, the area sales manager at HelloSuper, a home warranty solutions leader. Now, Evo will guide us through the essentials of home warranties, explaining what they cover, how they work, and why they could be a crucial component of your home buying strategy. Evo, thank you for joining us. I really appreciate you coming on. Yeah, can you introduce a little bit about yourself?
Thank you, Charlie. It's such a pleasure to be here. As Charlie said, my name is Evo, extra virgin olive oil Evo. A little bit about myself is I've been in real estate for over 25 years. The last almost 13 years in home warranty with different home warranty companies, and I was in real estate as real estate broker, appraiser, home inspector for about 11 years. So I'm a big believer. I've had a home warranty in every house that I've owned since 1995, and I'm a big believer in the value and the protection that a home warranty does. So I really appreciate the opportunity to share my thoughts about home warranties.
And if we were going to buy a home warranty, you would be the person to contact, right?
Correct. I am the regional sales manager for Northern California, and I'm also an account executive. So I am the buck stops here guy. I take care of everything. We have a team, Super Home Warranty. I work for a company called Super Home Warranty. We're located, headquartered in San Francisco. So we're a local company. We've been in business for 10 years. And I have a team who supports the Northern California Bay Area for all of our service, maintenance, and auxiliary services that we offer our homeowners.
Your company is also fairly specialized. You're also at the top in terms of using technology. No other companies that is in this space use as much technology as you do. Tell us a little bit more about why does it make your company special, and why do you need technology for home warranties?
That's a great question. So Super is the first company that is a fintech, financial tech company, because when the idea was in the infancy of starting this company, our founders were putting together technology, because that's one of the missing pieces in home warranty. Traditional home warranty companies are very archaic. They require a lot of people, a lot of manpower to operate. And what we've done is we've used a lot of technology, including AI. Our CEO has over 104 tech patents,
wow,
to make sure that it affects every part of our business. It allows us to operate more efficiently, allows us to serve our clients more quickly, allows us to monitor claims 24/7. So therefore, we can guarantee the quality of service that we can. And at the end of the day, it provides a much better experience for the homeowner, because they get full access. We live in a world dominated by Amazon and Uber and DoorDash. Everybody's used to instant gratification, being able to control them from their smartphone or from their tablet. And we have that technology for that customer base that allows them to have that hands-off, tech-forward use of a home warranty. But at the end of the day, we also still have, 800 number if somebody wants to call us to speak with a live person. But we're very tech-forward because it does allow us to do things that other home warranty companies just can't.
It basically increases your efficiencies.
Tremendously. So when a homeowner calls a traditional home warranty company, they place their claim in. The traditional home warranty company has 24 hours to find somebody to service the claim. That company has 24 hours to call the homeowner and make an appointment. So you're already 48 hours in. With us, when our customer is online or using our app, they're offered appointments right on the spot. They can pick 3 appointments. And by the time they close their claim, putting in their claim, usually within 1 hour, that appointment's confirmed. So we've taken that 2 to 3 day process and we've shrunk it down into about a 1 hour process. So the homeowner's going to know what time that technician's going to be there, usually within an hour placing their claim.
Why and when do we need a home warranty?
That's a very great, and it's a loaded question, and I think a lot of it I could use what we've all experienced during COVID. Think about how we lived in our homes for that period of time of 2-3 years of living in our homes, using our homes like they've never been used before, and we began to see how things work, how things wear out, and what you have to go through in order to get your homes repaired when you needed repair. It can be a very archaic, time-consuming process. Part of the reason why we're called Super Home Warranty is our CEO is originally from the East Coast, and on the East Coast, when you rent a property, any type of property, and something goes wrong, and it's the wonderful thing about renting a property is you don't have to worry about it. You pick up the phone, you call the superintendent, HelloSuper, come and take care of my home. And that's the premise of Super Home Warranty. We want to take the hassle out of home warranty by allowing people to own a home as though they're a renter. And how does that affect them? One is they don't have to worry about who they're hiring, or where they don't have to go to Yelp or ask for referrals or things like that. We do the vetting, the careful vetting of all the vendors. But on top of that is when we send somebody to your home, we guarantee that a covered item will either be repaired, or if it can't be repaired, it'll be replaced. So we've taken a lot of that guessing and expense out of owning a home. You were talking about first-time home buyers. My daughter recently bought a home. She lives in North Carolina. When I asked her what she thought the cost of owning a home was, when we were first talking about it, she thought it was the mortgage, the tax, and the insurance. She never thought about what it cost to maintain the home. And the National Building Standard Association of America says it costs about $12,000 a year to maintain a home. So the home warranty is there not only to provide the convenience, but also take a lot of that cost and reduce it by sometimes by as 95% of owning a home and maintaining it.
Can you tell us what's the difference between a home warranty and home insurance? Or why do you need both?
That's a great question. So home insurance and home warranty are complete two products. So in California, home warranties are under the Department of Insurance. So we're insurance companies, but they're two completely different products. Home insurance is for catastrophic loss. So fire, flood, something dramatic that happens. They have big deductibles. I think my deductible in my house is $2,500. And you hope you never use your home insurance policy. I mean, you just hope that you never do. Home warranty is kind of like a hybrid between an insurance policy and an extended warranty. It's there to help us with the items that we use every day in our homes. The systems, heating, air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, appliances. Those are like the 5 major groups that are the bulk or the meat of a home warranty. So we're there to provide protection in service and maintenance. And also if the wonderful thing about a home warranty is that if something is covered and it breaks down, it gets replaced with something brand new. And again, it's totally separate. So catastrophic loss, things that you use every day, that it's not a matter of if they're going to break down, but when they're going to break down, and will you have the money to repair them? I'll give you a perfect example. It was before you and I got on this call, I was speaking with somebody who air conditioner replacement. Retail cost $12,000. Okay, wow. If they were going to go out and replace it themselves, they don't have the $12,000 for it. They have a home warranty. The home warranty is going to take care of about 75% of that cost.
Wow, that's a really powerful thing to have. You also cover things like garage doors, garbage disposals, and plumbing, I guess. So how does it work? If my garage door doesn't open, I give you a call. Is that how it works?
Yeah, it's very similar to any type of insurance policy. If something that's covered by your policy has stopped working or is malfunctioning, you open up a claim, and again, because we're a tech forward company, we have lots of different options. You can place a claim online. We have a smartphone app. You can call, and you can also call Evo. So there's 4 great ways on placing a claim. If you place your claim online or on the app, you get those appointments offered to you at the time that you're placing it. Once we have that claim open, we send it out to a pre-vetted service provider, and the service providers, like I said, pre-vetted. That means they're licensed, insured, bonded, and they go through background checks and everything else, because we want to make sure that whoever we're sending to somebody's home is comfortable. They're comfortable with it as if they were coming into my home. And once that service provider goes out there, their whole goal is to try to repair it, and if they can't repair it, they report back to Super that it has to be replaced, and then the next step of the process starts. So let's say this way. We have two types of home warranties. We have those for people who are in a real estate transaction, and we have home warranties for any residential property. So as long as you have a residential property, we can put a home warranty on it. We're going to talk about the real estate transaction right now. So usually what happens is the home warranty gets ordered as part of the real estate transaction. Depending on who pays for it, there's no rules or who pays for it. The home warranty will start at close of escrow, and that means you can start placing claims as of close of escrow. There's no cap on how many claims you can place. In California, we do cap policy at $30,000, but I've been doing this for, like I said, over 13 years. I've never seen anybody come close to spending $30,000 in 1 year on a home warranty.
Wow.
We send out the service provider. The service provider is kind of like the insurance adjuster. They go out, they inspect the covered item, they take pictures, video, report back to us, tell us what's wrong, cost to cure, time frame, things like that. And then it goes to a claims department, and our claims department then makes a decision. What's the next step? Do we approve repairs, or do we is it going in for replacement?
Why is it important to get a home warranty during a purchase process?
One of the biggest reasons is the unknown and the risk reduction. Okay, you can go get a home inspection, but the home inspector is only going to be seeing things on a peripheral basis. They're not going to dig down. They're not going to tear a furnace apart. They're not going to tear an air conditioner apart. Most home inspectors don't even inspect appliances anymore. So you never know. And when one family moves out of a house and another family moves in, the house starts being used completely different. So the house can react, and it can react great or not very great, and things start breaking down really quickly. You'd be surprised how many claims are placed in the first week after close of escrow.
Isn't that claim supposed to be on the previous homeowner itself? Like if I were to come into a new home, and then in the first week the washing machine doesn't work, the dryer doesn't work, who do I go to? Do I come to you for a claim, or do I go ask the previous owner, hey, you said it was working the day I got my keys, I tried to do a batch of laundry and it didn't work?
And basically, once you purchase a home, it's your responsibility. If something was disclosed, well, let me back up and say, the home warranty premises that when the policy starts, you're not aware of anything known that's malfunctioning or broken. So you're not basically taking a liability of the seller or somebody else and putting on the home warranty after close of escrow. So how do we know that? Is home warranties have a right to look at a home inspection report to see if something was disclosed. But because just like any type of insurance, most pre-existing conditions are not covered. But if it's something that was disclosed and should have been known and should have been fixed or repaired or replaced before close of escrow, then it's not going to be covered by the home warranty.
Can you also give us a real life example of how a home warranty has saved a buyer, a brand new buyer? Like you mentioned, most of the claims come within the first week. Just a recent example of something that was significant. Yeah,
so it happens all the time. There's lots of great stories to show the value of a home warranty. I can tell you in your area in Menlo Park, there was a home. They closed on Friday, and they had a tankless water heater. And on Sunday, the tankless water heater stopped operating. So 2 days after close of escrow, they placed a claim on Sunday. The plumber went out on Monday and found that the tankless water heater was not working, and based on the error codes and after consulting with the manufacturer, had to be replaced. $3,800 water heater. Again, now we're 3 days after close of escrow. After reviewing the home inspection report and everything else, was found that the water heater was working perfectly fine. There was no defects, so there's no pre-existing condition. So that homeowner, within 5 days of their close of escrow, when that water heater had to be replaced, got a new water heater from Super Home Warranty. You know, home warranty covers so many things. It can cover everything from a block, sink to a leaky faucet. But the real value comes in when you look at the big ticket items: heaters, air conditioners, water heaters, and other, things that cost thousands of dollars, especially things that require a permit. That's where the home warranty can really come in and provide a real value, because it can cut the cost of that repair or that replacement, like I said, by as much as 90%.
Wow. Can you also give us a rough indication of how much the average cost of a home warranty is?
The home warranty coverage varies based on the individual needs of the homeowner and the house. So a very basic home warranty that would cover about 64% of all possible claims that are covered by a home warranty. So for 64% of coverage, starts at about $375 to $399, depending on the size of the house. So less than $400.
So that's $400 for a year, or $400
for 1 year?
Okay.
Yeah, it's 1 year. So these are, they're just like an insurance policy. They're renewable every year. So everything is on a yearly basis. So to get in at the low end is about $400. Then Super has a policy called the Lux policy, which is for high-end premier properties with premier clientele. It covers cooling drawers and warming drawers and, really high-end things. And that's about $1,400. Now, in between that, we can custom build any type of policy. I call it the Lego way. We take the Legos and we snap them together, and we custom build it. And I would say probably about 50% of the home warranties that we sell are custom built specifically for that house, to make sure that we're not over-insuring and that we're making covering the things that are most important to that homeowner.
One more question before, my last one here. Can having a home warranty impact the resale value of a home?
Absolutely. It's just like you're going out and buying a used car. If that car has had a warranty on it, and
maintained by the dealership.
By the dealership, but if there's a warranty on it, that previous owner had a warranty, they took care of that car, and that they did everything that could have been covered by that extended warranty. It shows that the previous owner has taken time and making sure that they're home and preserving the value of their home. So it increases the value of the home because it provides a bigger safety net for the buyer, knowing that there was something in place there for that previous owner should something have gone wrong.
Last thing, you want to talk about exclusions and limitations as well, just a little bit?
Sure. So, home warranty, again, it's a insurance policy. So there are going to be some exclusions. There are going to be some limitations. We're very transparent about that. So when you look at our insurance policies, the way they're written, we summarize them in nice, easy charts so you can see, so you don't have to go digging through small, microscopic fine print to see what it is. It varies. It varies on the policy. It varies on how it's, the policy is written for a specific house. But, again, the nice thing about our company, and I'm really proud about this, is that we're very liberal in our coverage. And we're the only home warranty company, in my experience, that actually states, and we put it in writing, that over the last 5 years, 92% of all claims were covered by Super Home Warranty. The industry average is significantly lower than that. And out of those 92%, of covered claims, 94% of them were covered by simply the copay. So again, that provides so much value, because that means that 94% of the time, no matter if something is broken, not working, or need to be replacing, that homeowner is only going to be responsible to pay that one copay less than $100, and it's going to be repaired or replaced. And that could be appliances worth thousands of dollars, air conditioners worth thousands of dollars, heaters are worth thousands of dollars. So the original home warranty was a risk reduction tool for agents. To this day, it is one of the best risk reduction tools for agents and for homeowners. And whether it's the seller, the buyer, or the agent on both sides, it's a great risk reduction tool because we'll take the call when something goes wrong instead of having that agent, whether it's the listing agent or the buyer's agent, taking it. Because again, you never can tell when something goes wrong. People have expectations of how they want their home to act and behave. And when things don't go the way they expect it, who's the first person they call? We want it to be Super Home Warranty.
Cool. How many % of all transactions right now have home warranties on them?
It's usually right around 50%. It kind of goes up and down. When it's a seller's market, home warranty usage goes down. Okay. When it's a buyer's market, home warranty usage goes up. So when it's a buyer's market, it usually goes up in about 60 to 65%. When it's a seller's market, it's between 45 and 50%. So we're still kind of in a seller's market. So home warranty usage, we're actually probably selling more home warranties now after close of escrow. And that's the other thing too. You can order a home warranty for up to 30 days after close of escrow, or for the real estate version, or we can put a home warranty at any time. But we're selling probably more home warranties than normal after close of escrow because they just weren't part of the real estate deal. But normally in a real estate transaction in the buyer's market, you're probably getting about 3 out of 4 would have a home warranty on them.
And everything is just so expensive right now, so it just makes sense to get a home warranty on it. In case something fails, it costs way more to replace it.
And that's what I was talking about COVID. Prices of home maintenance products skyrocketed during COVID because of the supply chain shortages. Now that supply chain shortages have gone away to a large extent, prices haven't gone down. Appliances have gone up an average of 22% since 2021, and they continue to go up. The average price to have a plumber come to your house is $252 in the Bay Area, just to show up on your doorstep. And you think about a home warranty, you can buy a home warranty for $400, and you have unlimited plumbing coverage. So if you use your home warranty twice a year just for a plumber, you've more than paid for itself. Yet you still have all the other coverage there to go with it.
I really appreciate it.
Oh, I thank you. I thank you for your time and for the opportunity to talk about home warranty. Again, I just think it's a valuable product. I think that the level of peace of mind and ease that it gives you is priceless. And every single day we're saving homeowners tens of hundreds of thousands of dollars, where not everybody's got a nest egg of unlimited cash that when things go wrong with their home, and sometimes things go wrong in multiples. So it's a great asset, and all you have to do is call me, and I will give you a personalized quote, and we'll get you going on being able to own a home like a renter.
Cool. Thank you so much. That was Evo, and Evo talking to us about what home warranties are. If you were wondering what home warranties was about prior to today, if you don't know anything about it, rewatch this thing, or if you want, just give Evo a call. His contact details, his phone number, and his email will be in the description below. Thank you so much, and don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.